In this video, we will be doing analog sensor averaging with the iGrow 800 controller. You may be experiencing a situation where your greenhouse is just too big to be controlling your equipment with just one temperature sensor, and realize that multiple temp probes strategically spaced across a widespread area would be a more practical solution for your temperature control. Well, with the iGrow 800 and its 8 analog inputs, you can install up to 8 temp probes to achieve this goal. Now, with the analog sensor averaging feature, this option allows you to average the data from separate analog sensors. Now, to set this up, you would first have to open up your controller and expose the back of the printed circuit board. Now, on the back of the board, you can see you have a location that is silk screened analog inputs. You have a total of 8 analog inputs, 1 on the top and 7 on the bottom, as you can see right here. Now, when landing your 2-wire probes, polarity does not matter. You stick one in the AIN location and the other wire into the ground. And for our demonstration, we will be landing 3 probes, 1 on AIN2, 1 on AIN3, and 1 on AIN4. Now, once wired, we will go ahead and close the controller. And now we're going to go ahead and map the sensors to do averaging. Now we have 3 temp probes landed for our averaging scenario. Now to map it, just simply hit OK. Then I want you to go to System Setup and then go to Sensor Setup, option number 3. Now in Sensor Setup, you want to go ahead and map your sensor, the in temp, and you want the in temp to do averaging, which is located at the bottom right here, and hit OK. Now once you have mapped your in temp for averaging, you want to assign the locations where your analog temp probes are landed on. And for demonstration purposes, as you can see, we have analog 2 checked, 3 and 4 are not checked. I'm going to hit home, and right now the temperature is 72.9, 72.7. I am going to go ahead and immediately map these 2 sensors, and let's see what the average is between 3. Save that, and it immediately went to 73.7, which is taking the average of all 3 probes that we have landed on this controller. And that's our video on analog sensor averaging with the iGrow 800 controller.